Hello everyone, welcome to Adaptive Fashion Vids. Today we'll be learning how to add a zipper to a sweatshirt. Today I'll be using an invisible zipper, and I just measured to make sure that my zipper will go all the way up to the top as I would like it to. So I want it to go all the way up and over, and the longer it is, the more it would be able to open the sweatshirt up. And this can be useful for people who are in a wheelchair and may not have the dexterity or arm movement to put on a sweatshirt overhead. And this can also be useful for caregivers who are assisting with dressing. So I'm taking my seam ripper here and going all the way up the sweatshirt, just taking out the seam of the sweatshirt. And this is where the zipper will be at the end. And when I laid out my zipper, I saw that it went all the way to this blue line where the stripe is in the sweatshirt, so that's where I'm taking the seam ripper. But you can always pin the place where you need to go up to with the seam ripper, just so you know about where the zipper is so you can line it up when you get to that step. Once you're ready to pin, you'll turn the zipper upside down and pin on the inside of the sweatshirt. So this is what it'll look like once you have it all pinned down, and just pin all the way up to the top as shown here. So after lining up the zipper, we realized the zipper was a bit longer, so we went ahead and took out a little bit more of the seam of the sweatshirt just to make it fit a little bit better. Here you can see a little bit better how the zipper is lined up on the sweatshirt. So like I said before, it is upside down on the sweatshirt. And you're just gonna take your sewing machine and sew this down in place, taking out pins as you go. And the closer that you get to the zipper, the less of the zipper will show. But you do not want to get the teeth in the sewing machine. So you're just gonna go along the line of the zipper here on the fabric portion. So you're just going to take it all the way to the top, and don't worry about getting everything secured at the top. We'll do that in the next few steps, so after you get the other side sewn. And now we're just going to go back through and pin this zipper in place with the other side of the sweatshirt. As you can see here, the sweatshirt is inside out, and this is just to let us pin the zipper fabric in place and have it tucked on the inside of the sweatshirt. That way the excess fabric is not visible from the outside. And we pinned all of the zipper in place, just trying to avoid bunching as we went. And if you do notice any bunching, you can adjust your pins as needed, as we show right here. Once you get your zipper aligned and pinned, we're going to take it to the sewing machine and, starting from the top, go all the way down, just keeping the zipper teeth away from the sewing machine and sewing on the fabric portion of the zipper as close as possible, again without getting the zipper teeth in the sewing machine. So we're just going to sew all the way down and take out the pins as we go. And when you get to the bottom portion of the zipper, you're going to want to make sure that you get the zipper out of the way of the sewing machine. That way your needle does not get caught on the metal portion of the zipper, as that would most likely cause your needle to break. So we're just moving that off to the side and just sewing the portion of the zipper all the way down. And again, on the other side, we'll do this as well, just to keep the fabric portion of the zipper off to the side so you wouldn't be able to see that from the outside. And here's the top portion of the zipper. We have unzipped the zipper all the way up to the top, and we will be adding a zigzag stitch across the teeth of the zipper here, And this is to prevent the zipper from unzipping past where we want it to. So this is just to make it a little bit more secure and to prevent any kind of fraying or the zipper going off track if it would come above where the zipper ends. So we're just taking the sewing machine and doing a zigzag stitch, and that will be more visible in the next clip. As you can see here, there is a stopper above where the zipper ends, just to hold that in place. And this is what the finished product looks like. And on the bottom portion of the zipper here, you can add a zipper pull for those with limited dexterity, but this is just showing how the zipper allows the sweatshirt to open. To allow it to open more, you could do this on the other side as well. And the length of the zipper can be adjusted for your needs. If you would like a longer zipper to go longer almost to the cuff of the sweatshirt, that is also an option, but I would recommend leaving the cuff intact. For more information about adaptive fashion and beauty products, please visit the resource page at unitedspinal.org. Thanks for watching.